This thing's high powered. I'm gonna hit stuff head on. See what happens. Oh my god!
Then it goes off the bridge.
Wow, dude. Oh shoot.
Hold on, pause
Should I
it real
hook this
quick.
up to
Pause
the tree?
pause it real quick.
Oh shit. I want to steal it, but I'll probably die.
The
Right?
SWAT car?
Yeah, I'll die. The SWAT truck? Yeah, I'll die.
Can you buy the SWAT cart?
No? If you do, you that guy's stupid. Get out my way and please just die. Look, they think that's gonna stop this. I'll go between you guys. That guy just got squished. I'm sorry. Another one? This doesn't work, sir. I'm not taking the keys out of the ignition. How about you take the keys and stick it up your ass?
That would be the right thing to do. I would just stop and let him crutch under you. Or hit that guy head on.
They got shooters. Who's this red? Oh, it's the army.
Gang. Oh no, it's the army?
Yeah.
That was a gang. It's either the gang or the army.
It's the army. Yay, train. This would probably stop the train. Maybe.
No, that would not stop the train.
This would probably pull it though. This could, if you hooked it up.
Dude! They just took off the front of your... That looks
So,
stupid.
I think that's cooler. Kind of like the rat truck.
I haven't even seen the rat truck yet.
The rat truck's pretty cool.
I haven't seen it.
Can you upgrade the military vehicles?
I don't know.
I mean, we at least gotta try.
I know you can repair them. That's it.
You can
That I
repair
know
them,
of.
then you
I'm
can
pretty.
upgrade them.
I'm pretty sure you can repair them.
Standing up for the roadblock. Didn't work. Well, let's hit the airplane.
Jump out as soon as it.
Hi, Trevor. I didn't even blow up. I'm smoking. It's diesel, guys. I'm not smoking. It's a diesel.
It's diesel. The smoke coming from the engine that's black is diesel. If it catches on fire next,
Catch a grenade for ya. Yeah, catch a grenade.
I'll jump in front of a train for... I don't remember the song. Isn't it called Grenade?
Yeah. Oh no, I'm slowing down. I gotta hit the SWAT truck. If I hit it, should I at least try and get inside it?
Yeah, I would try at least. It's on fire! It's on fire! Get out! Get out! Get out!
I'm burning.
What were you gonna say?
My gun!
What were you gonna say after it started burning? Like how you said it was just gasoline. What do you say then?
I don't know.
Oh,
What do
Sean
you
Lynch. You wanna play something else?
I don't want to play. I think I want to go outside. Look at this now. It's almost covered the grass.
It's covered like all of the grass.
Yeah.
It's pouring down. Anyway, see you guys. This is my outcome.